everybody, and welcome to Cleanse and Nourish with Susan. Once again, this is going to be another soup that recipe that you can use whilst you're cleansing in the liver gallbladder cleanse. So this is just some of the food. So we actually picked up today, we went for a walk today, and we picked up these lovely homegrown vine tomatoes, and the basil is grown in my backyard. So we've got some fresh basilicum, and we've got some hemp seeds, shelled hemp seeds, and I usually recommend to get them vacuumed, and they're really easy on the liver. And then I've got some sun-dried tomatoes, organic, that have been soaking. So I'm going to put in a handful of those because they make it really nice, the soup. And I use some of the liquid as well. And I'm just going to use a little bit of avocado that was left over from the soup recipe that we did at lunchtime. So I'm just going to go ahead quickly and get on with this. So there's, oh, and I'm going to add a teeny pinch of food grade citric acid. So the citric acid, I keep talking about this ingredient, this magic ingredient. I like to put a pinch in because it really helps the blood. You can read about the benefits of citric acid, and it's good quality food grade. And I really stress that point that you want to make sure you get, good quality. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead, and I've prepared in advance. So here we have a tomato in there, so fresh homegrown tomato from somebody's garden that we picked up when we went for a walk in the lovely nature reserve in the Avalon, the levels. Okay, so I'm just gonna, this is spring water from a lovely spring 10 miles away. I'm going to put in some of this avocado just to give it a little kind of sustenance. Okay, use up that. And I'm not going to use much salt, having said that, because the sun-dried salt here, I'm going to put a handful in because it's quite salty, the sun-dried, and a little bit of the liquid. And I'm just going to put in a little bit of this. This makes it creamy. So I'm going to put in about a tablespoon of that. Not too much, because we don't want everything fatty and heavy when we're doing the cleanse. We want a little bit of fat to help to take off the hunger pangs. Right, so I'm going to make a noise. Boom. Some basilicum. So I'm going to, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 fresh basil. Oh, the smell of that. Into the soup. And that's it. Simple. So I'm just going to get a little plate out, a bowl, and pour it out. And you can see the end results from this. Very simple. And you can change it to however you want. This lovely creamy tomato soup. And I'm just going to put a little slice of tomato on there. And I'm also going to come there. So, yeah, a little bit of tomato there, a little bit of basilicum. Yeah, there we have fresh tomato soup, creamy tomato soup. Thanks. Enjoy.